In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add correct answer in Google Forms. If you want your form to grade itself and show which choices are correct, you'll first switch the form into quiz mode, then mark the correct choice for each question. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where everything lives and what each click does. Start inside your Google form. At the top, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open the form's controls. This is where you tell Google Forms that your form isn't just a survey. It's a quiz that can have correct answers and points. In the Settings panel, look for the option called Make this a quiz and turn it on. The moment you enable this, Google Forms unlocks features like answer keys and automatic grading. You'll also notice related options for when grades are released and what respondents can see after they submit. You don't have to change any of those now if you don't want to. The important part is that quiz mode is on. Next, head back to building your questions by returning to the questions view. This takes you back to the main editor where each question appears as a card. Now that quiz mode is active, each question can have an answer key attached to it. Open the question you want to grade and click Answer Key. This switches the question into a special view where you define what counts as correct. If it's a multiple choice or drop-down question, you'll see your options listed. Simply click the option that should be marked correct. If it's a checkbox question, you can mark more than one correct choice. You'll also notice a space to set the point value and a place to add feedback for correct or incorrect answers, which can be great for quick explanations or helpful links. When you've selected the right answer and set any points you want, click Done. That saves the answer key and returns you to the normal question view. You'll see a small confirmation that an answer key exists for that question, and your points will be visible on the card. Repeat these same actions for each question that needs a correct answer. Once you've marked them, your quiz is ready to automatically grade submissions based on the choices you set. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, make it a quiz, return to your questions, choose Answer Key, select the correct answer, and click Done. With that, you've added correct answers in Google Forms quickly and confidently.